Hey, Daddy, Mommy, where are you? Mommy, Daddy, where are you? Ooh, looks like I'm home alone. Yes, can do whatever I want. Oh, I'm thirsty, so let me give myself some drink. I'm just gonna smack my pee pee. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, yeah, this feels so good. Ooh, time to get some drink. Ooh, I love this song. I love being a chef, but I hate Braxton. I hate my boss. Oh yeah, this song is so cool. Oh, this theme song. There's a face on me, Chef Pee Pee. Well, I'm cooking some rice. Ooh. Ooh. I love my life. I hate my Braxton. Chef Pee Pee. What do you want, Jeffy? Drink, Chef Pee Pee. Well, get some water, Jeffy. Want a water? I want an energy drink, please, Chef Pee Pee. Fine, Jeffy. Here, take this prime. Take this prime, Jeffy. Prime? Ooh. Thank you, Chef Pee Pee. Whatever, take it. Chef Pee Pee. Oh no, my rice. Ooh, that was so close. Hmm. Oh boy, I got my prime now. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my god, this is so sweet. Ooh, yeah, I am more energized. I am energized. Ooh, smack that pee pee. Oh, smack that pee pee. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, man. Ooh, man. I love Prime. Let me drink some more. Oh, yeah. This is the life, Jeffy, of being home alone. No green beans. Oh, this is the life. I love my life. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, man. Oh, what else I can do? Ooh, I can play hop hop song. Well, let me drink this first. Yummy. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Okay. Hop hop. Yes. This is the life. Let me pause first. Okay. Drink prime. It's empty. Hop hop. Oh, I'm energized.
Hours later.
This is the life of JP. Ooh. No, there's no daddy. There's no feeding me ugly green beans. This is the life. I want this home alone. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna smack my. Ooh. This is the life. Smack that pee pee. Ah! I'm tired. I will go to sleep. Pee pee. Pee pee. Pee pee. Pee pee. Pee pee.
5 hours later.
Pee pee. Pee pee. Ah, I fall asleep. That was a good sleep. Oh my god, I love my life. Well, I will not forget my pee pee. Oh, I am hungry. I will get some food. Oh, I will check in the fridge. Not be green beans. I hate green beans. I'll, I crave some Nutella. Oh, and some peanut butter. Let's go. La. Oh, great. No green beans. Oh, peanut butter. Ugh. 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 Time to get some spoon. I'm making. Mami. Ay, grabe ka naman. Frozen? Right, peanut butter time with my fork. Peanut butter.
Hour later.
Uh, oh. Oh, I'm so full of that peanut butter. I eat the whole thing. I'm so full. At least there's no green beans. Ooh. la. Stupid chores. La la la. What can I do now? Oh, wait a minute. I remember my daddy. He embarrassed me and feeding me green beans. Ew, that's so disgusting. Well, at least I can smack my pee-pee. Well, my my daddy is so embarrassing.
Jeffy, why'd you do that? Hey, Father, today in art class, I drew a picture of me and you being best friends in the park, because I love you so much. I didn't raise no pussy. Get over here. I didn't raise no pussy. Get over here and give me that face. Daniel, I still love you. I still love you. Daddy, stop it.
I remember my hi daddy. I hate green beans, and I drew a picture of my daddy and me being best friends, and he punched me pussy. Ah! I cannot take this anymore. I can take it. I can't. Ooh, what if I built my secret room? Well, guys, hi guys. What's doing? I'm gonna build my secret room to hide from my hi daddy who punched me in the face. Pussy. What secret room? Oh, you know what, guys? This is my perfect secret room. Wait a minute. Is Daddy Barbie? Man, he's totally ugly. Okay. Man, this is Daddy's stuff. If I take it, I'll be grounded. Man, I don't care. Well, ooh. Is this napkin? Maybe it's for mommy. It's more for my mommy. It's soft. This is my bed. Oh, I'm gonna close this and this. Oh, it's so dark in here. Oh, what is there, boogeyman? Oh, there's no boogeyman. I will set some LED lights to be a secret room because to hide from my daddy. Right, I set some lights so I never see the boogeyman. Well, let me test it. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. Hey guys, welcome to my room. To hide to my memorable daddy is high. Well, I'm just gonna lay down and smack my pee-pee. I just set my phone. Oh, this is the life. Oh, what is this? This is my crib. Let me go. Oh, it's so deep. Uh, no boogie monsters. Look, man, this light is so effective. Oh, whew. This is so cool. Well, voila. Man, this is so cool. I got the LED lights. Oh man. Oh yeah. This is the life. Wait, let me just up this phone. Let me fix it. Right, this is the perfect place. Oh, I can see the lights. Guys, do you see the lights? Well, sorry. You guys can see there. Well, do you see? It's so cool. I can live here. Well, guys, if you want me to me to create another video, well, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. See you for part 2 because my daddy is gonna come. Well, comment that daddy will never find. Guys, I appreciate. Bye. Pee-pee! Oh man, I'm gonna cook some chicken nuggets. I'm gonna cook some chicken nuggets. Well, in this pan. Right. Oh, I smell chicken nuggets. I'm cooking chicken nuggets. Chef Pee, can you give me some? Okay, the chicken nuggets will be done. Okay. So yummy. Bye-bye. La ta la ta 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 la 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 ta 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 la 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 ta 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 la la ta la ta la 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 ta la ta la ta ta. Chef Pee is the best. Chef Pee. Okay. Ah! What are you doing here, Jeffy? Hey there, Chef Pee. What are you doing in the fridge? What are you doing in the fridge, Jeffy? My daddy. My daddy is so high. So I am finding some secret room like this. Jeffy, this. What about in the closet? It's so boring. And I will be in the closet. Bye, Chef Pee. Alright, time to get some ingredients. La la. La la. La la.